The number you have dialed has been changed.
What you do?
Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be building this floating sofa table, and it's actually pretty cool because I haven't seen another design like this. So as you can see, I started by just gluing these two pine boards together to make the top shelf. After the glue was done drying, I sanded it to 80 grit and then 120 grit, and then to finish it off 220 grit. Next, I cut out the leg pieces, I guess you'd call them that, and attached the brackets to them. I thought it'd be easiest to apply the stain and then attach the legs to it. Just a rustic mahogany colored stain. I thought it matched the media room pretty well. After I finished staining, I started drilling pocket holes into each side of the legs. Now that I have all the pocket holes drilled out, I'm just going to start assembling everything. Attaching the legs to the shelf, I just used corner brackets, pocket holes, and glue. For the bottom part, I used 1/4 inch ply. This will be the part that goes underneath the couch. After applying 3 coats of polyurethane, I moved it up to the game room. The point of this design was to have a floating shelf, but not have to screw into the wall to get it to float. I will admit I had my doubts at first, but it turned out a lot sturdier than I expected, and I'm pretty happy with it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Missing someone